Hello kids, let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. This is triangle shape. This is square shape. This is pentagon shape. This is circle shape. This is heart shape. This is rectangle shape. Triangle, square, pentagon, circle, heart, rectangle. Dear kids, these are our colors. These are our colors. This is blue color, red color, sky blue color, yellow color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color, light green color. Dear kids, let's draw some 2D shape with these colors. This is light green color. Light green color. Triangle shape. This is red color. This is red color. Square shape. This is red color. Square shape. This is sky blue color. This is sky blue color. This is pentagon shape. This is circle shape. This is yellow color. This is yellow color. Circle shape. Next one. This is pink color. This is pink color. This is heart shape. This is heart shape. Last one. This is green color. This is green color. This is green color. This is green color. This is rectangle shape. This is green color. This is rectangle shape. Dear kids, let's rewind once again. This is triangle shape, square shape, pentagon shape, circle shape, heart shape, rectangle shape. Thank you kids for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.